Patience Jonathan, the wife of former President Goodluck Jonathan, on Monday, January 22, lamented before Justice Nimti Dimba of the Federal High Court in Abuja, over the demolition of some properties linked to her foundation in Abuja, the nation's capital. Nigerian Tribune reports that the properties were demolished despite a pending suit in respect of the properties before Justice John Tsoho of a Federal High Court in Abuja. We gathered that the court proceedings on Monday were for the hearing of a preliminary objection filed by counsel to Jonathan, Chief Mike Ozekhome, challenging the jurisdiction of the court to entertain an ex parte motion brought by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, Efcc. The EFCC's motion before the court was aimed at seeking temporary forfeiture of the Abuja properties belonging to Jonathan, situated at plot number 1758, Cadastral Zone, BO6 Mabushi, and plot number 1350, Cadastral Zone, AOO, Central Business District, Abuja. But before moving his preliminary objection, Ozekhome informed the court that the buildings, which were the subject matter of the litigation, had been demolished. Ozekhome told the court that the properties were demolished by the federal government, whose agent, the EFCC, had come to court seeking an interim forfeiture of the property. According to Patient Jonathan's counsel, demolition of the properties which are a subject matter of a suit before the court is the highest level of lawlessness and disregard to the rule of law. It is an act of intimidation on the judiciary. In view of the development, we are filing an affidavit evidence to show photographs, video CDs and newspaper reports that cover the demolition. The respondent has removed the rug from the feet of this court, and that should not be entertained. You cannot destroy properties already a subject matter of a suit before a court, whether done directly or indirectly by government or EFCC, he said. And when the court asked the EFCC lawyer, Benedict Mangione, what transpired, he denied knowledge of the demolition. In view of the development, the trial judge, Justice Nimti Dimba, stated that he could not make any order that would become academic or hypothetical, and then adjourned the further hearing to February 26, 2018, for parties to canvass all issues in respect of the matter. The two properties in question are Ariwaba Arura Recoud Foundation and Ariwaba Arura Recoud Foundation. Specifically, the EFCC is praying for an order of interim attachment, forfeiture of the assets and property set out in the schedule attached herein. More so, the Commission prayed for an order stopping any disposal, conveyance, mortgage, lease, sale or alienation or otherwise of the property, asset described in the attached herein.